Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about the best PSD mockup design in Photoshop. So please watch this video till the end. After knowing its full features, you can then decide whether to choose this mockup design for your brand or not. You can download the PSD file and edit it. The download link is given in the description. Here are some of its features you should know. Need a quick way to render your design into an iced tea bottle in a few seconds. You only need to place your design intro to the smart object, and they will generate 3D high-impact product shots. Smart objects are included. You can edit the layers of the graphic canvas, or remove them completely and place your own graphics inside, without worrying about perspective, light and shadow effects. The smart object in the main file updates itself. This item's great for designer portfolios, websites, marketing presentations or tutorials. Features. This pack contains 4 PSD files. Get 4 PSD files with the same settings in the layers. This makes it easy to customize. It is easy to place your label design cover. Photoshop 100%, high resolution 300 dpi, clear text and video screen documentation. Preview label images are not included.